What if I told you that one of the most viral teeth hacks on TikTok, watched over 40 million times, is quietly dissolving the enamel right off your teeth, and the person doing it has absolutely no idea? Today, I am going through the 7 most viral TikTok teeth hacks that millions of people are trying at home right now. I will tell you exactly which ones are dangerous, which are useless, and which 1 or 2 might actually have something to them. Welcome back to Dental Miracle. This channel is about giving you real, science-backed dental information. No fluff, just the truth. TikTok videos get millions of views. The people filming have white teeth and confident energy. But confidence is not the same as correct. Let's start with the one you have probably already seen: gargling hydrogen peroxide from the brown bottle under your sink. Professional treatments use controlled concentrations with gum protection. People swishing it aggressively at home are doing it every single day. Regular rinsing can cause mouth irritation and bad breath because you are wiping out the protective flora. Verdict: partially true, but dangerously misapplied. Next, activated charcoal. It looks incredible on camera, black paste on white teeth, but the dental reality is it's highly abrasive. Enamel is irreplaceable. Once it's gone, it's gone. Charcoal scratches the surface, making teeth more yellow as the dentin underneath shows through. Verdict: dangerous. Stop immediately. The irony is, people end up with permanently darker, more sensitive teeth. Oil pulling is an ancient practice. TikTok claims it detoxifies the body, but your liver and kidneys handle detox, not your mouth. However, swishing oil for 15 minutes helps dislodge plaque and reduce harmful bacteria. Verdict: mostly overhyped, but not harmful. Mild benefit possible. Number 4. Lemon juice and baking soda. Lemon juice is highly acidic, close to battery acid on the pH scale. The fizzy reaction looks powerful, but you are essentially sandpapering weakened teeth. This causes permanent erosive tooth wear. Verdict: one of the most dangerous hacks on this list. Never do this. It leads to thinning, translucent, and sensitive teeth. Turmeric is a bright spice that stains everything. It has anti-inflammatory properties for gums, but it will not whiten your teeth. Verdict: wrong use case. Turmeric is a stainer, not a whitener. It's biologically backwards to use it for whitening. Now, a medical emergency: DIY hair, elastic braces. People loop elastics around teeth to close gaps. This can kill a tooth. The band slips below the gum line, cutting off blood supply to the ligament. Verdict: medically dangerous. Can cause permanent tooth loss. Finally, banana peel whitening. Rubbing minerals on dense enamel for 2 minutes ignores 150 years of dental science. Is it harmful? Not really. Will it whiten? No. Verdict: harmless, but completely useless. The most effective things for your teeth are boring: brush, floss, limit sugar, and see a dentist. That's the actual hack. If this video saved you from a dangerous hack, please hit the like button. Subscribe to Dental Miracle for real science. Take care of your teeth. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.